Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 15.1.1 new iOS update not showing in software update. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. Before we go, we have to keep in mind one thing. This update is only for iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 series. And if you have iPhone 12 and 13 and you're still facing the same issue, then we go for some other solutions. Number 1. First of all, delete the beta profile if you have any. To delete beta profile on iPhone, first we have to go to settings, then general, and tap VPN and device management. Scroll, find and tap on iOS beta software profile and tap remove profile. Put iPhone passcode and tap again remove to confirm. If you want to restart, tap on restart, otherwise leave it as it is. Now, go back to software update and update your iPhone to iOS 15.1.1. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we try some other solutions. Number 2, same, go back to settings, general, and tap iPhone storage and make sure that you have enough free space to download and install new update iOS 15.1.1. Then we go for the next one, settings, tap on battery and disable low power mode. Next, if you're using mobile or cellular data, better connect to Wi-Fi. Now we go for final solutions, settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Put your iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, after doing this simple step, you will get iOS 15.1.1 in your iPhone. That's it. Please share this video to your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.